Today we're taking a very dated desk and giving it a total makeover using Dixie Belle new line of Terra Clay paints. You can see the three colors that I used above. I started off with the blue agave as my base coat, and then I added the darker blue, and at the very end I just added a tiny bit of that bright Lanny's Lagoon color over the details. In order to blend this paint, you need to keep it pretty diluted with water or spray your brush with water as you go along. Once the top was sanded back, I used orange oil to replenish the wood. To finish the drawers, I used Dixie Belle Bells and Whistles Vintage Damask decoupage paper, and to use this paper, I apply first a clear coat. I cut the paper to size, press it down, and then I apply the clear coat again on top of the paper, and this will give it a nice strong finish for the interior of the drawers. The final touch is to add gold gilding wax onto the details of the piece as well as the hardware for a little bit of extra glam. I also used the Dixie Belle clear coat in the matte finish to seal the piece, and I did this by applying it with a synthetic brush. You can find a list of all the products I used in the description below. Here are the final pictures to share. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.